Some bikes were already pricey, but the insurance, that's what really made them untouchable. Number 1. Suzuki Hayabusa. Nicknamed the Widowmaker, this 186 miles per hour monster became an insurance nightmare. Just seeing Hayabusas on your policy made rates skyrocket. Number 2. Ducati Panigale Fibs 4. A $30,000 superbike packed with tech. Insurance companies knew repairs would be just as expensive as buying a new car, so they jacked up the rates. Number 3. Kawasaki Ninja H2. A supercharged superbike with spaceship level speed. It was fast, dangerous, and stupid expensive to fix. Insurance, basically a second mortgage. Number 4. Yamaha R1. Lightweight, high revving, and built for the track. Insurers considered every rider on an R1 a risk, so the premiums were just as insane